In this video tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 top powerful AI tools which are similar to Chatgpt and can be used by content creators to either create their specific niche topic in terms of content and research, as well as very relevant for students to answer some questions based on given specific topics, and at the same time can be used by anyone to perform specific tasks. So without wasting any time, I will share with you my screen to share all those specific hand-picked AI tools, powerful and similar to ChatGPT. Looking at the first AI tool here, we are looking at Gemini, also known as Google Bard, which is now Gemini. And of course, with the help of this tool, it can be used for writing purposes, planning, and also learning. This is the URL of the tool. And once I come to this specific website, chat to supercharge your idea, of course, you are going to see a front page that looks like this. With this AI tool, you can give it specific questions. You can say, ask anything, and this Google Bard or Gemini is going to provide specific answers based on the request you have actually asked, especially based on content research on given topics, or answer some questions based on any topic of your choice. You can see they also have this area here for new chat, and these are some of the features. You can also use this microphone area, which of course it is actually speech. You can input speech by asking questions by speech, and this tool will do exactly giving you response to exactly what you have asked. And looking at the next powerful AI tool similar to ChatGPT is a tool called Claude. Of course, this tool is very relevant. You can see here, this is the website. You can see Meet Claude. That is, this is how it looks like from the front end. And looking at this tool, it looks like this. It is a very powerful AI tool. And of course, it has this powerful insight section where it can build ideas for you based on given topic. You can see examples of things it can do based on the questions being asked by people like you and me, like create a report to analyze product usage. You can see it has given that particular request answer. You can see the next, identify code optimization and performance improvement. It has done exactly that. And the next here, visualize my sales funnel from awareness to purchase using bar chart. Exactly that. And they have a lot of things it can do for you. You see your ideas being amplified. You just need to make sure that you come here and use the features of this tool to get exactly what you want. The next powerful AI tool is Microsoft Copilot. It looks like this from the front URL. You can see Microsoft Copilot, copilot.microsoft.com AI tool. Of course, with this AI tool, it is your companion to inform and entertain you as well as to inspire you. It looks like this from the front end, and it also has this chat section where, of course, you can give it a request to give you specific answers on every topic, and also to plan your research or carry out niche research, especially for content creators where we want to create topics or we want to make some content idea around the topic you are actually wanting to create content around. You want to make sure to use this chat tool here, or as well as use the plus sign button to add some images and ask this tool to analyze and perform even more specific tasks based on your need. The next is actually Meta AI. Of course, most of you are familiar with this AI tool, and it has a lot of things to do. Of course, AI, this Meta tool can actually create AI generated images for free, as you can see. And also it can respond to some answers, or that respond to some questions which you can ask. If you ask question here, it is going to give you some specific responses. You can see it look like this from the front end, and you can ask Meta AI anything. You can see, make my image sound more professional. You can see it can do that request. Simulate a mock interview. You can see examples of what it can do. Imagine an image. It will actually create some images for you for free. And you can use this search box as well to ask any question inside of here and submit your question. Of course, it is going to respond based on what you have asked or the request which you want this tool to perform for you. The next tool here is a tool called Perplexity. It looks like this based on the URL front end, and this is the URL here. And the front page of this looks like this. And of course, what do you want to know? You can ask any question here, especially as well for students, and you can discover other related things. And with this search box here, you can perform specific searches and ask specific questions inside here, and it is going to give you all the things, of course, which you request in terms of the questions you have asked. You can see, of course, they also have a pro plan, but of course, the free plan can be good for you. And you can also attach documents in terms of text or PDF files, and especially documents that have questions and stuff like that. And it can actually give you specific response based on the request. Also, content creators can also use this particular tool to create, of course, content around their topic, and to also form topic ideas on what they want to create and try to create content around those topic ideas. And looking at the next powerful AI tool is a tool called u.com, UChat, of course, AI for workplace productivity. This tool actually is a good search engine as well. And of course, you can perform some tasks here, asking questions. It looks like this from the front end based on the front view. And it can do a lot of things like research. You can carry out research on this site or this particular AI tool. It has a creative section where, of course, you can perform some visual creations and build your own custom. You can see it has a lot of features here. And also with the search box bar here, you can also use it to ask specific requests in terms of questions you have, and it is going to reply based on what you have asked based using this search box here. And looking at the next tool here is actually Jasper AI. It looks like this from the front end. And of course, it is also a very powerful AI tool, especially for marketers and for content creators. It looks like this from the front end. And of course, you can make use of this tool, especially for content creators and also for researchers, where this tool can perform specific tasks for you based on the request you actually ask. If I scroll across this page, you're going to see that it have a lot of features, especially in this area. They have a Jasper Studio where you can transform existing processes with AI-powered workflow integrated in your market stack, so you can embed AI into every marketing process, empowering every marketer. They also have this marketing toolkit, which of course you can use to accelerate time to value with a comprehensive set of tools designed for marketers. As I've earlier said, it is very good for marketers. And also they have a knowledge and context-based area where, of course, they respond to various questions you ask. And you can see you can see proprietary marketing intelligence layer tailored output for each use cases. And this area, of course, the features of this tool is actually amazing. And you can see solution for product marketers, and very much they have it here. And of course, looking at some of the solution and role they provide for product marketing, especially for marketers, content marketing, performance marketing, you can see all the features here. As well as for the marketing toolkit, this is what they actually have: marketing editor, brand voice, visual guidelines, and AI image suite, Jasper chat, and a lot more. And these are some of the AI tools which are powerful, similar to Chatgpt, which you can use at your own advantage. If at all there are any AI tool which you think are also very powerful, which has not been mentioned in this video, then of course you want to make sure to leave a comment below to tell us what AI tool you think we should include in the next upcoming upload to inform others so that they can take advantage of it to perform more adequate tasks when it comes to using AI tools. So you want to make sure to go ahead to like and subscribe so that you are going to follow up with the upcoming tutorials which we are going to upload very soon. See you again in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.